Greetings! Today I want to show you how the bot copes with a non-volatile market. When there are very small volumes, price barely moves and very small payouts. Let's see together with you how I can make money in such a market. I'm going to open a trade on the British pound Japanese yen for $500, go to the bot, get a new signal, choose British pound Japanese yen, expiration 1 minute, and get a sell signal. Okay, right there I open a sell trade for 1 minute. Good downward movement, so we can expect this trend to continue. My bot can handle both small volatility and large volatility when candles open very impulsively, and for example one candle can pass a level from such a downward movement and then fly sharply upwards. This would be a very large volatility. Great first trade brings me $2,100 of net profit. Good result. I'll open the next trade for $2,800. Australian Canadian dollar, relatively good payout and relatively good movement. Look at the example. This is an example of big volatility with such huge candles. This is an example of small volatility where there is almost no price movement. Australian Canadian dollar, I get a new signal, I choose IUD CAD, expiry 1 minute, and again a sell signal. Okay, right there on this impulse I open a sell trade. There was a good upward movement just now, so we can expect a small correction for 1 minute. Unfortunately, the second trade I have closes at a minus, a very unpleasant minus, but I suggest not to get upset, because in the long term, the bot brings profit in the neighborhood of 80 to 90%. So this trade I will just close. I'm gonna open a $350 trade now. Let's go again into the capital Canadian dollar on the same pair. I get a new signal. I choose the out call. The expiration is still the same, 1 minute, and a sell signal. Okay, I open a sell trade right there for 1 minute. Super, this deal brings me $3,000, and as you can see I covered my minus and even earned a little bit. So if you have one of the 10 deals closed in the minus, no big deal, just cover it with a large deposit and calmly work off your minus. Euro Australian dollar, I get a new signal, choose euro out, expiry 1 minute, and get a sell signal again. Right here, I open a down trade for $3,500. A good, very downward movement, you can observe. Very good momentum, and we can expect the price to go lower from this point to update this low. Great. The price updated this low, and this trade brought me $3,000 of net profit. Let's open the final trade. Let's pick a pair. British pound, Japanese yen looks great. Volatility is small, but that's okay. I get a new signal. I pick British pound, Japanese yen, 1 minute on this trade, and I get a sell signal again. Alright, right here I go into a sell trade, $3,500 again. Super, great final trade. You saw what a great move I took. Brings me another $3,000. Total, even with one downside, I made 8,000 bucks in one video. If you want to make money with this bot in the same way, I want to make you aware that it is absolutely free and you can use it even all day long. Get 100, 200, 300 signals from it. You can get as many signals as you want. The link to the bot I will leave in the description. Go to it, activate it, and it will give you all the instructions. And if you have any questions, then contact the support account where you will be happy to answer all your questions. That's all I have for today. Have a great profit.